Okay, continuing on, I wanted to add the focus for the slider. So I'm going to select page 3 to make sure that's highlighted. Put the location where I want the focus to be, the blinking the blinking light here, the little glimmer as we like to call it. Okay, and then I'm going to say add focus, and I'm going to select pop-up picture, and here I am going to select this image that I've already created for page 3. The Studio THP sent us, along with the original pictures that go with the background, they also sent extra pictures in case I wanted to put them elsewhere in the application. And so what I decided to do is put these all into one slider, and I'll show you the slider here. The slider is one long, look at the resolution here, 768 by 5552. So you can see I just stacked them up. And what the CDK does when it gets a file like that is it will show the original size, and then so this will fill up most of the screen or part of the screen, and then you can slide up and down to see the other pictures. It gives it a really nice effect. And this is a PNG, so all the black area here is see-through, so you see the background behind it. And I think you've seen this if you've seen the demo. And I think it's a nice way to throw in a bunch of extra pictures. Okay, so going back to the tool, I'm going to select page. I'm in Files by Page, page 3. These are the extra pictures. And then this is the slider. I'm going to select the slider. And everything else is fine. You can play around with shifting it left to right if you'd like. But for now, it centers it in the middle of the screen. So click OK. And so now there's my focus with the pop-up slider that will be vertical, since the image that I put was larger in the vertical dimension than it fits on the iPad. And I've done the same thing with a horizontal page. I think it's page. I don't see it now. I have a horizontal slider here somewhere. Oh, it's in the extra pictures here. That's where I did it. Okay, so that's another vertical. Let's go to the horizontal slider here, and you can see what I've done here is 6,445 wide by 500. And then I'm sure you all have your own batch conversion utilities, because the images I got from Studio THP, of course, are really high resolution, 4,000 by 2,600. That's too big for the iPad. And so what I did is double click it. This tool, Irfan View, that I use, just hit the B key. You can select all the pictures and then do a batch convert to 800 by 600 or whatever. Add them all, say add all, start conversion, and then I have it put it into a slider directory, and then they're all converted. I pull up Photoshop, drag them all in there, and create the sliders that I want, and then just put them into the CDK. So you get the idea that the bulk of the work is really done in Photoshop or InDesign, and then once you get to the CDK, you just select where you want it. You want it to pop out, you want it to slide, you want a video, and that's pretty much it. And another common thing we do is just have, say there's a video here. I could right click, add focus, and then just pop up a video. This will pop up a full screen video, and I select that. So that's pretty common as well. Okay, well, be sure and ask if you have any questions. And one other thing I wanted to mention is that this is only for Windows right now, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7. And the workaround we have for now is that you can use a Macintosh emulator, because I know most of you guys and most of us, we use Mac for this type of development, and you can use a Boot Camp or a Macintosh emulator. Anyway, thank you. Bye.